Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Johnson's Study Hall. For this video, we're going to talk about PEMDAS, also known as Order of Operations. So, one way to remember PEMDAS, people usually go with, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." Now, although the acronym is "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," these letters actually stand for parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. So this would be the order that you would solve an equation in. So our first step is parentheses. Now parentheses have 25 times 2, which gives us 50. And if I rewrite this, I have 96 divided by 4 squared plus 50 minus 15 minus 3 times 2. My next step is my exponents. 4 squared gives me 16. If I rewrite this again, I have 96 divided by 16 plus 50 minus 15 minus 3 times 2. My next step from there is to multiply. So the only multiplication I have is negative 3 times 2, which gives me negative 6. So now I have 96 divided by 16 plus 50 minus 15 minus 6. Okay, my next step is to divide. I have 96 divided by 16, which gives me 6. I have 6 plus 50 minus 15 minus 6. From there, my next step is to add. 6 plus 50 gives me 56 minus 15 minus 6. And my last step is to subtract. So I have 56 minus 15 minus 6, which gives me with a total of 35.